In this video, I'm gonna compare Canva and Glorify. If you're looking for an easy way to design social media posts, business graphics, or even product images, these two platforms are popular choices. But the question here is, which one is better for you? Stick around because in just a few minutes, I'll share one feature that completely surprised me, and it might be the deciding factor for you. And by the end of this video, you'll know the key differences, the pros and cons of each, and which one might fit your needs best. We'll break it down in a simple way so you can decide without getting overwhelmed. Okay, let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about what Canva is. Canva is an online design tool that lets you create almost anything. YouTube thumbnails, documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media posts, photo edits, videos, and even websites. It's beginner friendly, it has thousands of ready made templates, and works on both browsers and mobile apps. But here's a fun fact: Canva is so widely used that even huge companies rely on it for quick campaigns, but it's still simple enough for students to use for their school projects. Now, Glorify, on the other hand, is also a design tool, but it's built with a stronger focus on product images and e commerce visuals. If you sell products online, whether it's through Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, or your own store, Glorify helps you make high quality product galleries, lifestyle mockups, and ads that look polished even if you're not a designer. So while Canva is like a do everything design platform, Glorify is more like a specialist tool for product visuals. And later, I will show you one Glorify feature that made me think, why doesn't Canva have this feature? Both Canva and Glorify are beginner friendly, but Canva's interface feels more universal. Everything is laid out simply, drag and drop elements, change fonts, adjust colors, and it just works. Plus, Canva has ton of tutorials and a big community, so it's very easy to learn. Glorify, on the other hand, is also easy, but it's slightly more tailored toward product creation workflows. So, for example, if you upload a product photo, it gives you instant options to clean it up, put it into a mock up, and make it store ready in just minutes. If your main work is creating product listings, Glorify will feel more streamlined, but here's a thing: the way it handles mockups might actually save you hours each week, and I'll show you what I mean in just a bit. Canva's template library is huge. Millions of designs for social media, business branding, education, events, videos, and even printable materials. You can search Instagram story, YouTube banner, or business proposal and instantly find hundreds of options to customize. Glorify's templates are more targeted. You'll see things like product gallery, hero image, mock-up scenes, and drop shipper essentials. While it doesn't have as many options for unrelated categories like Canva, every template is optimized for making your product stand out. And here's where things get really interesting. Canva's templates win on variety, but Glorify's are laser focused on conversion. So later I'll reveal which one actually made my test product image gets more clicks. In Canva, you can head over to the Magic Studio section where you'll find tools like background remover, background generator, magic eraser to remove objects, magic rub to move elements in a photo, grab text to extract words from an image, magic edit to change parts of an image, and magic expand to stretch your image background. These tools make Canva powerful for both quick edits and creative transformation. And that's on top of its other features like animations, video editing, and AI powered design suggestion. Glorify's tools are built around product presentation. You can add and style text for product names or sales messages, use shapes to frame or highlight key parts, add arrows to point directly to features, and even hand draw using the pencil tool for custom marks. You can also insert images of your product, add clickable style buttons for call to actions, and use their AI tools to improve or generate visuals. But here's a question for you. If you had to choose between do everything tools or do one thing but do it perfectly tools, which one would you pick? So keep that in mind because it's the exact choice these two platforms are making. Canva also shines in collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same design in real time, leave comments, and also make changes instantly. This is great for teams working on marketing or branding, while Glorify also supports team collaboration but with a product focus. So your team can plan, design, and finalize product creatives together, making it easier to stay consistent across all your sales platforms. And here is the surprising part. One of these platforms has a hidden way to turn your designs into a mini website instantly. I'll tell you which one in the next section. Now let's head over to the pricing section. Canva has a free plan with a lot of features already unlocked. Canva Pro gives you premium templates, unlimited background remover, brand kits, and extra storage for around 300 pesos per month for individuals, with special rates for teams and educators. Glorify also has a free plan, but with more limited exports and templates. They also have like paid plans that starts around $17.1 per month depending on promotions. So the question here is, do you want to save money up front or invest a little more for specialized product tools? The answer really depends on what you create most often. So if you want an all-in-one design platform that can handle almost anything, Canva is the better option. But if your work revolves around selling products and you need high-quality images fast, Glorify might be the smarter choice. Some users combine both. They make clean product shots in Glorify, then import them into Canva for marketing campaigns, social media content, and presentations. And honestly, that hybrid method gave me the best results when I tried both. Canva wins for versatility and variety, while Glorify wins for specialized product creation. They're both easy to use, but their strengths lie in different areas. So if you're unsure, try the free plans of both, spend a day designing with each, and see which feels more natural. You might be surprised. I know when I found myself going back to one more than the other. So that's our Canva versus Glorify comparison. Which one do you think you'll try first? Let me know in the comments. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more easy to understand design and tech guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.